Automatically create Requirements.Txt. Sometimes I download the Python source code from GitHub and don't know how to install all the dependencies. If there is no Requirements.Txt file, I have to create it by hands. The question is, given the Python source code directory, is it possible to create Requirements.Txt automatically from the import section?
You can use the following code to generate a Requirements.Txt file. The benefits of using piprex from its GitHub. Why not pip freeze? Pip freeze only saves the packages that are installed with pip install in your environment. Pip freeze saves all packages in the environment, including those that you don't use in your current project if you don't have virtual and sometimes you just need to create Requirements.Txt for a new project without installing modules. Use PyPenv or other tools is recommended for improving your development flow. If you do not use a virtual environment, Pgar will be a good choice for you.
In my case, I use Anaconda, so running the following command from Anaconda terminal inside my environment solved it and created this Requirements.Txt file for me automatically. This was taken from this GitHub link Prado's conda-inf.txt. If an error have been seen and you are using Anaconda, try to use the .yml option. For another person to use the environment, or if you are creating a new environment on another machine. .yml option been found here.
For Python 3, I have both Python 2 and 3 on my machine, where Python 2 is the default. Python 2. To check your Python version,
If you want to support the channel, please consider liking and subscribing.